Hi guys, this is Tech Howdy. I welcome you to another video tutorial on creating an ASP.NET Core featured image gallery with Angular 8. In the last video tutorial, we finished coding the gallery service class in our client app. In this video tutorial, we need to code this API that is going to return the featured home gallery that is requested by this API call. So to do that, we will go to our gallery controller class, and here we will create the required API which is needed in this service, or which this service is going to call when it needs to load the featured image gallery. So this particular API will be called as get featured image gallery. So I can just code it just before this get image gallery. So here I will create the API. So here I have pasted this code, which is going to basically create the API. Now the method is called as get featured image gallery. All this method is doing, it's an HTTP get request. It's returning the requested featured home gallery. So we have to provide in the route when we are requesting this gallery, what type of gallery we are requesting. So we are requesting the gallery type of type featured home. So when the request comes to this API, first thing as we always check if the model state is valid, and if it's not valid, so we return back the request as a bad request. But if it's valid, we continue processing the request. So here we are going to write some link query on our database entities. So what we are doing is first we are going into the galleries entities, and we are getting the galleries which are featured, active, and their gallery type matches the gallery type that is requested. So if you notice, I have not set a default gallery type to featured home. So in case in future when we code the featured category or featured brand slider, where we'll have all the featured categories, so at that point we can call the same API and request that we want to we want a list of featured category gallery. So we can have the gallery type as any in this API call. Therefore, we are not hard coding this to say it's going to be featured gallery, featured home gallery. So it can be of any type. So what we are doing here is in the entities, we are checking if all these three conditions are true. So first, if the gallery is featured, if the gallery type matches the requested gallery type, and if the gallery type is active. So if all these conditions match, then it will return the gallery. Also, we have to make sure that we have only one gallery that is active, featured, and but if you have multiple galleries that are active and featured, you cannot display them all at once. So you will only be displaying only one gallery at a time that is going to be featured. And that's the reason why it's called featured. And after we have got all the list of galleries, we will get all the images associated with that gallery from the images entity table based on the gallery ID. Finally, we will create a new response object with the following properties, and we will return the result back to the client who is requesting the galleries. So that's it for this API method. So it's a very short video where we are creating the API. In the next video tutorial, we will work on the component of our client app, where we will be consuming the service which we created, and we will display the gallery on our home page. So this should be it for this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel Tech Howdy. You will find the code in our DevOps repo, and the link is in the video description. Thank you.